Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Eva. If you're not new here, thank you so much for returning. I'm so excited to be here and back making another YouTube video for you guys. Today's video is car Freshie related. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Freshie car vent clips. I've been dying to make this video. We're going to be using this cute little cow mold. I have all my supplies here. So I have the mold with the mini cows. I have my baking sheet, my little vent clips that are gonna go onto the car. I have some mica powder to color the beads, some aroma beads. I wanted to see how it would look with these cute little bumblebees, and then my little mixing bags. If you do not know how to make car Freshies to get your scented aroma beads, I do have another video showing you guys exactly how to do that. I'll link it in the description down below, so be sure to check that out if you're a beginner. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer you guys. And let's just get right into the video.
Here's a close-up of this mold. It has so many details. I'm so excited to see how these come out. First, you're going to get your scented aroma beads. You're going to pour as much as you'd like into your baggies and then put your mica powder color of your choice and mix them up. I'm going to do 2 brown cows and 2 white cows to see which one looks better. When using mica powder, a little goes a long way. You don't want to put too much because then your beads will not cook properly. So now for the fun part, which is filling up your mold. You want to fill it up evenly. You want to make sure you get all those little cracks, especially for the horns here. It was kind of hard to get the beads in there, but I was just taking my time. For these molds, I almost fill them up all the way to the top, just because once they start cooking, they are going to melt down a little bit, and you don't want them too thin because then you will see your vent clip in the middle. To attach the vent clips, I personally bake them into the Freshies. Some people use glue, but I prefer this method because I think it's easier and cleaner. So I'm just going to put them where I'd like them. I like them in the center. You can put them wherever you'd like. I just think they work better there. And then I'm going to put beads around them just to make sure it doesn't fall while it's baking down. I might add some more beads around it just to make sure that's secure.
Alright guys, so these are ready to go into the oven. I did preheat my oven to 350. I'm going to bake these for about 12 to 14 minutes. So I just took these out after 12 minutes exactly. If you see how this one is a little bit bent, you can move it this way so it's straight. You can move them while they're still warm. Be careful though because they're very hot. Same with these. I think those look good. Fix them up while they're warm. Okay, so you see how this Freshie vent clip mold had lots of little details, lots of little lines. You want to make sure that you bake it with enough time so that it actually gets into those little small details. I'll show you guys how mine came out in just a minute. Every oven is different, but mine was at 350 for about 12 minutes. If it is your first time making them, I recommend just watching them because like I said, every oven's different, and so you can see what time and temperature works for you. That's just what works for me. I'm so excited to show you guys how they came out, so stay tuned. Then also just to add, this is actually my first time making car Freshie vent clips. My customers would always request them, but I just never had enough time to make them. Lately, I've been super intrigued. So I let these cool down completely about 10 to 15 minutes. You can tell that they're ready to be pulled out because they're already detaching from the edges. So let's see how they came out. How freaking cute. Do you see what I mean? They were baked long enough so you can see all of the detail. Look at that. So nice. I really, really love that. Wow. Okay, let's take out the rest. Same thing, very nice. Very, very nice. I did brown and white so we can just see how they look differently. Cute. Can see all the detail. This part is optional, but do you see how there's these peaks? You can cut them off while they're semi-warm. You can feel a little bit of warmth because then they'll be easy to cut off. It's very easy. It doesn't hurt your hand or anything like that. I've seen reviews where people say it hurts their hand to cut these, but if you do them when it's a little bit warm, you won't have that problem. And again, it's optional. I just think it looks a little bit better. You see? Just more clean. So I'm gonna do that really quick and then we'll decorate them.
So I cannot even lie, this part is so tedious, decorating these Freshie vent clips since they are so small and they have so much detail. So I'm using puff paint, I'm coloring in the bow, and then I'm topping it off with glitter. I just thought this would look super cute. Then for the white cows, I'm going to go in with white puff paint to outline the cow. I just thought that would look cute. I started putting pink for the nose on the white ones, and I'm gonna change that because I don't think that looked good. And then for the brown cows, I decided to go with a black outline with puff paint. Here I am just cleaning it up with a toothpick. That really helps with any little pieces that shouldn't be there. And then here I am going over the pink with white. This is how they came out. I think they came out so cute. Personally, the brown one is my favorite. Let me know what y'all think. So we're coming outside to put these in my truck. Let's see how they look. I do have this cute Freshie in my truck. It's a cow tag cow print with a sunflower bow. Super cute. Just wanted to show you guys. All right, so let's put these on. Guys, so I just put the Freshie vent clips in my truck. I think they look so cute, and I love how they're cows, and then I have a cow print, cow tag Freshie in my truck, so I thought that was super cute. Let me know what y'all think about these vent clips in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if there's something that you would have done differently. I am always open to hear what you guys have to say, always open to answering questions. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching. I have so many more videos for you guys coming. I'm just trying my best to find the time to make them for you guys. I have a whole list, so if there is anything that you want to see or a video that you want me to make, also be sure to drop that in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.